Is NBFT. This one was number 25 number 25. There we go. By IPO guy, stock pick NBFT, 05, 51 cents, no change off of that. So he picked this one over on the 23rd. We see that right here. We're going off that close at 051 to where it's currently trading at. Now, as far as the chart goes, look at, you guys tap that lower Bollinger Band. It's ridden that thing all the way down here. And then you get the green confirmation. Okay, start peeking out. Then it came back inside, started going sideways from there. Right now, I mean, I really can't add too much. I've been going over a lot of these, and something you guys got to keep in mind. We're already at Wednesday, and you're at the second full trading day of these stocks picked back on the 23rd. So you're 5 days out already, and there's a few of them in here that we definitely want to keep an eye on, but a lot of them had nice runs here in the last few days. So basically, to get to the point here, if you were watching the contest, when the submissions start coming in, that's your watch list, Joe. You know what I mean? Think about that. Mm-hmm. All these people that are coming in here putting in the contest, 45 people, 43 people last week, 100 people the week before on a normal week without the holiday. You've got a lot of stocks to put on your list. So if you guys continue to break through here, and you can make it up to the 10-day simple moving average and break, then I think that you guys could start seeing a run here. Right now, I'm going to put this on hold. But that's what, if the volume continues and I'm wrong, and this one starts tapping that 10-day and gets above that, you guys could be setting up for a run. NBFT, that is all I have to add. This, Joe, go ahead and take it over.
Well, the last press release was on December 23rd of 2016. It was NABUfit Global Incorporated announces the sale of 2,852,725 shares of its common stock. So they basically announced that they sold some stock. They announced the closing of the private placement of that many shares of its common stock for the grand total of $1,444,921. The shares were sold at a price of 50 cents per share. So, I mean, right now it's traded at what, 48? All right, 50 cents per share. The shares were offered only to non-U.S. persons outside the United States under an exemption from the registration under Regulation S of the Securities Act. The shares have not been registered and are subject to certain restrictions on the transfer. Upon written request at any time by the holders of registrable shares representing in the aggregate at least 20% of the total numbers of shares at the time of such request, the company shall use its best efforts to effect the registration under the Securities Act and registration qualifications under all applicable state securities laws and shares as requested of the holders of the shares. All right, so the company is authorized to issue 100 million common shares. Prior to this placement, the company had 22,451,947 shares issued and outstanding. Following this placement, there will be 25,304,672 shares issued and outstanding. So Brian Mentz, the company chief executive officer, said, this infusion of capital will allow the company to move forward with its marketing plan, start operations in China, attract additional notable athletic ambassadors, and begin revenue-generating activities. So what they do is NABUfit is an online fitness platform for health and well-being through physical exercises, nutrition, and lifestyle. The platform offers an interactive, customized experience founded on the workouts and participation of sports stars. Among here, Neymar Jr., Peter Schmeichel, Michael Mays, and many more to come. The development headquarters in Denmark is developing an online fitness platform and mobile application that connects to existing and future monitoring devices. So right now they're basically stating they're developing that. That's cool.
Yeah.
Developing an online fitness platform and a mobile application that connects to existing future monitoring devices. So basically they highlighted wearables. So like the fit and stuff, I'm guessing.
All right. NBFT, looking through here. You got a little bit of a brief summary on the company. We're looking over here also at the chart. I made my note on here, 4.8 hold needs 5.8 break. That gives you a little brief summary. If you know anything about this, share this with us over here on investorshangout.com, either with us on the live stream or the other thousands of members that are here daily actively talking about all different stocks. So that is NBFT.